Discover the joy of cooking over a fire pit and create unforgettable memories with family and friends. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. For the over the fire pit zucchini recipe, I cut 1 zucchini in finger-thick slices. I prepared the zucchini and the marinade a day before I want to barbecue. I press out the juice of 1 lime, or you can take the juice of half a lemon. I pour the juice over the zucchini. One teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, I try to separate all the slices. And I almost forgot 1 tablespoon of parsley. Get all the zucchini slices covered with the marinade. I like to put my zucchini slices into a Ziploc bag. I cover them with the marinade. Zip it up tight so it doesn't smell in the fridge. Move them around so the yummy marinade is everywhere. And now they are ready to go in the fridge so we can have barbecue tomorrow. We went to a beautiful campsite, and this is our little private place. The kids are so excited, having already fun in the tent. We saw some new friends over there. They look so beautiful. It's so quiet and peaceful around here. We really enjoy seeing God's nature. I could look at the waves and listen to them all day. Isn't that relaxing? Back at the campsite, my husband made a fire so we can cook our food. Let the fire go about half an hour, and then peeled some corn and put them on the hot fire pit. But we made sure that the hot flames didn't touch the corn and turned them once in a while. I spread the marinated zucchini over the barbecue grit. Now we cook the marinated zucchini over the fire pit. I also marinated the fish yesterday, but I didn't do a video, so I just put the recipe in the description below, and then you can make it yourself. Turn everything once in a while so it doesn't get burned. And this is how the yummy food looks on my plate. Back to the beach. The sand is so soft on the feet. I hope you enjoyed our little camping trip and feel inspired to cook for yourself on your next camping trip. If you enjoy my content, you are welcome to like and subscribe and share with others.